Hello! In this video, I will show you how to configure the Mailchimp integration with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Features add-on. Now, activate the Mailchimp integration. Integration is activated. Now click to Configure button. This is the Mailchimp integration configuration page. Mailchimp requires an API key for the connection. Now go to the Mailchimp dashboard page. Open the Profile page. Now click on Extras and open the API Keys page. This is the API Key page. Now click on the Create a Key button. Enter the API Key name, click to Generate Key button. A new key is generated. Copy and paste it. After that, click to Verify button. Now, Mailchimp is configured successfully. First select your list ID. You can change the Subscribe to Newsletter label. After enabling the double opt-in option, a confirmation email is sent to the user to verify their subscription to the list. Now, map the forms fields. After that, click to Save button. Now go to the front-end side, Affiliate Press Signup page. This is the Affiliate Press Signup page. Enter the basic details. The data will be synced only if the checkbox is checked at the time of registration. After that, click to Save Create Account button. Registration is now complete, and the user is redirected to the Affiliate Panel page. Now, go to the Mailchimp Audience page. Here you can see all the records. Now open your first record and see the user data. Now go to the backend side Affiliates page. Here you can see the All Affiliates record and also the newly added affiliate user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.